Hi there, it's Chris here from selfmadenewbie.com. Welcome to this video app suite review. Now, for those of you out there who are looking to dominate on YouTube, if you're looking for all the elements that are needed to go into a YouTube video to make them just look good, to get people drawn to them, to get people taking action on them, enjoying them, Video App Suite is definitely for you. So Video App Suite is exactly what it says. It is a suite. It is an 8-in-1 package. It is essentially 8 platforms or 8 apps within one whole system. So the first one is going to allow you to create intro and outro sequences on your videos. The other one is going to help you to create thumbnails, which in my last video we talked about how super important thumbnails are. You could be creating the best content in the world, but if no one's going to click on it because your thumbnail is bad, it's a big waste of time. There's live Mockup, which is going to teach you how to, do catchy shorts, memes and gifs and images and throw them in your videos. We've got Slide Machine, which is going to teach you how to make presentation style slide presentations in your videos. There's Story Monarch, which is going to help you create stories on Instagram and Facebook really easily. This is one of probably the most biggest marketing tool getting used right now are those story features of those apps, especially Instagram. There's also Whiteboarder, which if anyone's ever seen the channel Fighting Mediocrity or things like that, there's those whiteboarder hand drawing kind of videos that, they get super engagement. And a lot of those channels have multi-millions of followers. So they've already proven to be a really effective way to create videos, especially for those people who don't want to put their face on camera. There's also Video Architect, which is going to help you create square videos, which are really going to suit you well when you are creating micro content, for example, on platforms like Instagram and things like that. There's also Custom Video Effects, which is going to help you create cool text effects and other eye-catching visual enhancements within your videos. So today we're going to take a deep dive into all that, check out a demo which is going to let you see exactly how each one works and exactly the kind of creative you can create from each one of those things. And as well as that, I've gotten you some wicked, awesome bonus products that are going to go hand in hand with Video App Suite, so you can really hit the ground running with just a massive bundle. People have already been testing out Video App Suite and finding out great results. So before we really get into this, it would really help me out if you dropped a like on this video and hit subscribe and turn on the bell notification if you want more updates on new software that's coming out. Now really quickly, if you want to check out Video App Suite on your own, if you want to jump ahead, you simply have to click the link in the description, and that way you're able to secure bonus products if you do decide to purchase it. So by clicking that link, it will send you through to my bonus page, which looks like this. And you have the legal stuff at the top, my contact details. If you run into any problems, I'm there for you. And there's details about the product and the bonuses. So the way it works is my bonus page is integrated with the official Video App Suite sales page. So by clicking on any of these green buttons, it essentially locks in these bonuses before sending you off to the Video App Suite sales page. So if you do decide to purchase it, you'll be sent Video App Suite and all of those bonuses together in one big bundle that you can access immediately. So quickly, the first bonus I've thrown in there for you is called YouTube Authority. It's a massive bundle which has recently been updated, and if you're creating video, you're obviously gonna be doing something on YouTube since it's the biggest video platform out there. YouTube Authority, this product, the updated version, is going to teach you everything about YouTube. It's going to teach you how to optimize. It's going to teach you how to optimize via descriptions, titles, keywords, hashtags, just everything that you need in order to optimize your YouTube channel and really start driving traffic to it. Okay, Video App Suite is going to do that aesthetic work for you, get people clicking, but YouTube Authority is going to get you ranking. It's going to get more people to your videos. The second bonus I've gotten for you is Instagram marketing. Now, you may have noticed a lot of influencers out there are doing this YouTube Instagram kind of combo. So they've got the YouTube channel, but they're doing their marketing and they're putting out the micro content on Instagram and taking advantage of that Facebook, Instagram marketing platform in order to drive traffic to their YouTube, or actually to wherever they want to drive them to. So Instagram Marketing Secrets is similar to the YouTube Authority product, except it's just going to make you a master of Instagram stories, creating content on Instagram, getting noticed on Instagram, everything from hashtags to mistakes to avoid. Massive product. It's going to help you really dominate Instagram. The next product I've gotten for you is Video Marketing Profit Kits. Now within your videos, even if you're not just creating marketing videos, you should have a marketing element to it. Like for example, call to actions. So this tool is going to help you do marketing within your videos, whether that's surreptitiously or whether it's out in the open. It's going to go into things like how to create the right type of video for what audience, how to save money on video creation, turbocharging the persuasive power of your words, how to make money from videos, and how to promote your videos in the right way. Key tricks to boosting SEO, how to reverse engineer competitive videos. So this is going into that back end again, teaching you a lot of cool features to do with really just putting that selling, that marketing element into your videos. The next bonus I've gotten for you is how to make money on Fiverr. So if you're downloading Video App Suite as a business, as an agency, as someone who wants to work online, make money online through freelance apps like Fiverr and other ones, even Udemy, creating courses. If you want to make money online, freelancing, doing things with video, while this is helping you to make money on Fiverr product, what's taught in here does apply, you know, across the board. Share Skill, Upwork, and all those other ones as well. So what this product is going to go into is Fiverr Secrets, biggest hassles with Fiverr and how to overcome them, better ways to make money on Fiverr, how to offer premium high ticket services, bundling services, how to sell operational assets, how to buy services that help you buy resellable assets. So that's you buying stuff in order to sell stuff for hire. And just really how to be an expert on Fiverr, how to really dominate and make the most amount of money on Fiverr and on any of those freelance networks. These ideas work across the board. So the fifth bonus is I've gotten you full access to the Video App Suite bonuses, which is another bundle sent to me from the vendor to give to you. So those bonuses are going to include artificial intelligence logo creator, 80,000 content engine library with white label, so you can pause the video and check these descriptions out. Video App Suite agency website, so creating video websites, campaign cloner software, call to action professional voiceovers, bonus 6 royalty-free music tracks that you can use, done for you call to action sales scripts, super valuable. That's going to go really well hand in hand with the video marketing bonus I got for you. HD stock video bundle for those short cutscenes, that's going to be really good. So yeah, total of 8 bonuses from the vendor, as well as my 4 high-end bonuses, so you're getting 12 massive bonuses there. So if that all sounds good to you, again, step 1, link in the description. It'll take you through to my bonus page, which looks like this. Clicking on these green buttons locks in all 12 of those bonuses before sending you off to the video app sales page, which looks like this. A lot of information on here. I'd recommend checking out testimonials, the demo, the functions, features, and all that, so you can really, you know, learn all about Video App Suite for yourself. We're not gonna do it here. You can do it in your own time, or we'll be here all day. What we're gonna do is dive into a video of Video App Suite and all 8 of the elements of Video App Suite, all 8 of those little apps in there, which make up the suite. So let's check it out.
All right, now let me show you how each app really works and how you can get awesome results with them. Let's start with Intro Outro Expert. Now you can create slick, eye-catching intros and outros for your videos in just a few minutes. You get a great selection of templates as well as easily customizable elements, so you can get exactly the look that you want. It's proven that intros and outros grab attention and give your videos a more professional, high-end look. Intro Outro Expert lets you do all that and a whole lot more. Next, there is Cover Pro. Now, it's easier than ever to create super awesome video covers for your Facebook pages as well as for your clients. Replace those static, boring image covers with super slick video intros that will positively wow your audience. Video covers are proven to increase visitor engagement, sharing, and yes, traffic. Use Cover Pro to create eye-catching video covers and boost your Facebook page's visibility while crushing your competition. Then there's Live Mockup. Now it's easier than ever to add logos, images, and other graphical elements to live action video scenes. Mockup videos are a great way to create fun video or GIF memes, catchy shorts, and other cool video styles. They're proven to grab viewers' attention like crazy while delivering incredible results. Here's a great way to leverage social media to build your brand. With Live Mockup, it's super easy. That brings us to Slide Machine. Now you can easily create videos with slides, images, and other elements to produce super slick video presentation. You get total control over all elements and customizations with just a few clicks, drags, and drops. Add your own text, images, and other items to turn boring slideshow presentation videos into eye-popping, highly engaging pro-class presentations. With Slide Machine, you can do all that and a whole lot more. And then we have Story Monarch. Now you can create beautiful, visually rich Instagram and Facebook story videos with zero effort. Everybody knows that video stories are scorching the social media world these days. With Story Monarch, you can easily tap this growing hot medium to get more engagement, fans, leads, and of course, sales. Don't forget, you can do the same thing for high-paying clients with the awesome videos that you'll create for them with Story Monarch in just a few minutes. Then there's Whiteboarder, which creates whiteboard videos that are proven to increase engagement and boost sharing. With the included app, you can create super slick attention-grabbing whiteboard videos. It's perfect for video promos, ad spots, mini explainers, and feature clips that you can add to other videos with a collection of included templates that you can easily churn out high-quality whiteboard videos in a matter of minutes. That brings us to Video Ads Architect. Ever notice that square videos and video ads dominate social media much more than the standard rectangular YouTube style videos? That's because they provide a better viewing experience for mobile users. With Video Ads Architect, you can easily create square videos and even convert your existing videos to square format with just a few clicks. You get a full array of tools and templates that make it a total piece of cake. And finally, there's custom video effects. If you've ever wanted to improve an existing video with snazzy elements such as lower thirds, text animations, and other cool elements, search no more. Add super cool text effects and other eye-catching visual elements to completely transform any dull video into a work of art. You can convert the shape or orientation of any video so it works better on social media. Custom video effects breathes new life into dull videos and much more.
Do you see all the exciting possibilities yet? Video App Suite will be the very last video app bundle you will ever need, as it gives you every possible avenue to profit with video.
All right, thanks for checking out that demo, and I hope you're excited to get your hand on Video App Suite. It truly does have everything you need to start creating really great looking YouTube videos. So the front end option really quickly includes the 8 high quality apps, and it's a $47 one-time payment. And I should say that you do only need this option in order to get access to the bonuses. Okay, if you get this, you get all the bonuses as well. So that's the commercial version with the commercial license to resell videos that you create. So if you're an agency, you also only need that. You can get the Video App Suite Business in a Box version one time. Front end option includes all features in the commercial license plus Business in a Box license to sell all the apps as your own. You can also see everything you get on my bonus page, which is what I'm looking at right now. The Upgrade 1 Video App Suite White Label Upgrade, which is 5 additional software tools with Business in a Box license, which we just talked about, includes sales pages, sales videos, and you can sell the apps on your own, so you're getting all the sales material as well. Upgrade 2 is 2-in-1 Traffic Automation Suite, so submit video to video sharing sites to get traffic on demand. Includes swipes, promo tools, Facebook ads, and things like that that you can just really copy and just use. Upgrade 3 is Video App Suite Portfolio, Website Builder, and Unlimited Hosting. So this is going to give you, on top of the video templates and all the automation and all the templates, it's going to give you hosting as well as some really cool things like setting up your own Amazon-like video marketplace, customize pricing for each video, customize the site name, logo, domain name, and other things, PayPal integration, secure level certificate, so secure website. I would recommend checking these out on my bonus page. Unlimited hosting also included. Upsell number 4 is Video App Suite Deluxe Templates. 1 year's worth of templates, and that's 5 additional templates each month for 1 year for a one-time payment. Now I will mention that this is all to do with launch week, so any discount pricing you're getting through my link or any bonuses you are on that I've just talked about, they are dependent on this countdown timer, so really keep your eye on this. It might go up, it might go down if the vendor says he's going to give more time, so keep your eye on this countdown timer. If you do decide to purchase, you'll be sent a digital receipt that looks like this, and as I said, under the green button will be Video App Suite, under the blue button will be all the bonuses, so really easy peasy, everything's sent to you in one big bundle. There's a money back guarantee, so essentially the quicker you get in, the more you get for the least price. So I would recommend trying it out, getting in on it risk-free if you are creating videos, if you do think that this can help you. If you have any questions, feel free to hit me up in the comments, social media, or also my email. I do reply to everybody. If not, enjoy Video App Suite. Hope you love those bonuses, and I'll see you on the next video. Ta-da.